Welcome to MSOne. Metabolomics data analysis is challenging due to high data volume, vendor-specific formats, and variability in instrument response. Redundancy from isotopes and adducts, combined with noise and high dimensionality, further complicates interpretation. To combat these challenges, Clarity Bio has developed MSOne, an end-to-end metabolomics suite enabling high-throughput analysis with minimal parameters and human intervention. Powered by AI, MS-1 delivers expert-level accuracy through a user-friendly interface. It's vendor-agnostic, scalable, and built for robust automated performance. To visit the web application, go to ms1.claritybiosystems.com. Once you're on the page, click Get Started. If you're a new user, click Sign Up. After submitting your details, your account will be activated by our team. Once it is activated, sign in to your account. After signing in, you will land on the My Projects page where you can see all your projects. To begin an analysis, click Create Project. Enter a unique project name and provide a short project description. Inside our project, we can upload files and pre-process any subset of them as many times as we need. To start, I'll click Add Files and upload the files of this project. I'm selecting some files here. Now, if I scroll to the bottom, I can update the metadata for these files. This includes the class of the files, for example, tests and controls. We can also specify samples, blanks, and QC files. Once the metadata is filled, I click Set Metadata and then Upload. Once uploaded, we can go back to the project page. I'll create a new job to analyze these files. I'm calling it negative because it is negative iron mode data. I will add the uploaded files from this project to this job. You can select the files from your project using the drop-down list. In this case, I'm adding all the files that I had uploaded before. Now I'll load the job and it's ready for further analysis with MSOne. The three main components of MSOne are Meta Explorer, Meta Analyzer, and Metastat. These are also accessible from the navigation bar at the top. The first component of MSOne is Meta Explorer, which is used to explore raw data, check data quality, and optimize parameters. For example, I can plot a total ion chromatogram. I will use some of the QC pools from this dataset. This helps us check for alter shifts, baseline shifts, etc. We can also use a 3D plot to assist with parameter selection. For example, I will plot ATP in this dataset. In this 3D plot, we can clearly visualize the spread across both the MYZ and RT dimensions. There are also several other options available to visualize the raw data. Once raw data exploration is complete, we move to a flagship component, Met Analyzer, which uses AI to pre-process raw data, providing expert-level accuracy in metabolite identification and quantification. To start, click Set Parameters. You can use one of our preset parameter sets or choose custom parameters specifically for your study. A key advantage is that Meta-Analyzer uses only a few parameters, and most of them work well with their default values. Here, I will perform our proprietary centroiding algorithm to compress the data while retaining only the relevant signals. I will adjust the mask errors and intensity thresholds with respect to this instrument. These will be used by our ML models to extract good quality peaks and perform smart alignment. We will also use our proprietary scoring system to find good quality annotations from multiple libraries. Once the parameters are set, go to the process data page and click Begin Global Metabolomics Analysis. If you already have a targeted list, you can upload the MSOne RT and annotation as a CSV file to perform targeted analysis. Once analysis begins, we can monitor progress in the processing tracker. Now the processing is complete. In this study, we have detected 2004 features. We can use the filter option to filter features if needed. We can even search for a feature of our choice. I'll search for asparagine. After selecting the feature and scrolling to the bottom, I can see more details of this metabolite. From the unaligned XYZ plots, we can easily see the quality of the peaks. The symmetrical shape, Gaussian profile, and clear baseline separation of the peaks ensure reliable and accurate quantification. In the Aligned XYZ Plots tab, we can see how our algorithm has corrected for shifts and aligned all the peaks accurately. In the MS2 Plot tab, we can see how closely the experimental spectrum matches with the library, thus providing confidence in annotation. In the Peak Boundary tab, we can see that the peak boundaries are selected accurately, as shown in orange shading, but we also have the option to adjust them if needed. We can then go to the Generate Reports page to export the data as CSV or PDF files. Select the files of interest, click Generate, and after a short wait, go to the Downloads File tab to download your files. After pre-processing, we can perform statistical analysis and visualization using Metastat. When we click Set Parameters, we will see options such as blank subtraction, imputation, normalization, and more, all essential for further analysis. Click Submit and then proceed to exploratory data analysis. Here we can plot graphs, run statistical analysis, and more. For example, we can use a volcano plot to find differential features. There are various options such as an interactive plot, a downloadable table, or even a customizable static plot suitable for publications. We can also create a heat map using a list of features we are interested in. Again, we can customize the figure and export it in high resolution to be used directly in your publications. There are many additional options as well. For example, for a PCA plot, we can go to the unsupervised section and choose the kind of PCA plot we are interested in. We also present MetaMine, a curated repository of datasets processed using MSOne. Accessing MetaMine is easy. On the sign-in page, simply click Continue as a demo user. You will see a collection of processed datasets with filtering options based on the metadata. Just click on any dataset to load the process job and explore it using MSOne, just like before. Thank you for watching this overview of MSOne, the AI-powered metabolomics suite from Clarity Bio. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our full range of services, please do not hesitate to get in touch.